Welcome to day 18 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, and we have been doing so much. We've picked up so many habits. So today we're going to do one that's a little bit more mindset related. We're going to slow down. Whatever habits we have done so far, let's enjoy them a little bit more today by slowing down and enjoying the mundane of it. Mundane can actually be super relaxing. It doesn't have to be boring, and we also don't have to be rushing about either. Today, let's take our routines and slow them out a little bit. We tend to go so fast sometimes. I know I do. So today, let's slow down. While we shine our sink, let's shine it slowly, intentionally, and everything else that we do today, let's savor it and enjoy it rather than rushing about. So far for the habits, we have been dressing to shoes, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue. We've been decluttering our emails for 15 minutes. We've been doing a cleaning mission, making our bed, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter in our zones, which were still, and the living room, family room, done. We're doing 15 minutes rest right after that, after we put our things away, throw them out, put our donates, etc. All day we've been saying kind words to ourselves. We've been shining our sinks, picking out our clothes the night before, checking our calendar, and we're also going to bed on time. You can keep track of this with the free habit trackers down below. I've also created a bundle with the zones. If you're interested in that, go get them down below. They're all absolutely for free, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 20 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.